Hey guys, welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. Before I get into anything else, this giveaway is massive, and I don't want to pump it up too much, but it's pretty huge, and I definitely think you should watch through to the end of the video so you can get all the details on how you can enter. It's really exciting, and I can't thank Shapeways enough for the opportunity. So let's get into what we're talking about today. Shapeways is a great place for us to make all of the accessories and 3D print all of the things we need for our scale accurate builds. But it's also a great place to get gifts for people. And one of the tools that I've discovered through using this myself was the 3D pendant creator. And I'm going to put a link down in the description below so you can check that out. But I'm also going to run through how it works and what is possible with it. So here we go. One of the things that I did to show my appreciation for my wife was I got a tattoo. And that tattoo is just the initials for the statement, "One true love of my life," OTLOML. You know, she's not really into getting tattoos. She likes my tattoos just fine, but she doesn't want any of her own. So I wanted to get her something that was similar to that she could wear all the time. So what I did was I used Shapeways Pendant Creator to make my own pendant that had those initials. And this tool is so awesome and so easy to use that, you know, practically, I think, you know what, anybody can use this thing. The great thing about it is that it doesn't require a lot of computer savvy. You don't have to know any other programs. You don't have to know Illustrator or Photoshop or anything. You can literally draw out your design on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, upload it to the pendant creator, and boom, it's going to recreate it in 3D. And I've got an example right here. I did it in plated rose gold, 14 karat. It comes out so smooth and so accurate. This is basically exactly what I sent them in terms of the file. It's nice and shiny. It looks great. I'm still kind of amazed that this was 3D printed actually. I don't know much about jewelry creation, but I do know that this turned out really, really nicely. The Pendant Creator software is very intuitive. It comes with a bunch of preloaded designs. If you don't think that you are capable of drawing something out, you're more than welcome to use some of their existing patterns. You'll probably have this done in 5 minutes, and then you'll get something for that special person in your life that is totally yours and totally unique and not something that you bought in a store. I think that alone is the biggest selling feature. I'm just going to go through it with you here to show you how to do it. So I've got a piece of white paper. I've drawn with my Sharpie here a little heart with my initials and my wife's initials. When you're drawing your pendant, you can use different shades of black or different shades of gray to denote depth. Once I drew it, I took a picture of it with my cell phone, cropped it, uploaded it to the pendant creator, and that's it basically. It recreates it in 3D. I got to choose how big I wanted it to be. You can even add a little hoop there if you wanted to put this on a necklace or whatever. That's kind of how easy this thing is. It's not really that complicated. It's not difficult. It might take you 5 or 10 minutes to draw something out. You can go whole hog and spend a ton of cash on like solid gold if you are so inclined, or you can get gold plated, or you can do frosted plastic. As long as you're following the parameters of how Shapeways can print something, you're going to be able to print this out in nearly any material. It's so super cool. So whether it's Valentine's Day or whether it's Mother's Day or whether it's Christmas or someone's birthday, there are tons of things you can do here that are going to show that you took the time out of your hobby schedule to think of something really cool to get your special person. And I think that is the key here, and it's pretty neat. With all of that, Shapeways has decided to give away a $250 credit at their store, and that would get you a very nice pendant for someone special, or it would get you something very cool because you know what? You're pretty special too. Anyway, how we're going to do this giveaway is I'm going to ask you to comment below, and I will choose one of your comments at random, and that person will get a $250 gift card at shapeways.com, and it's good for anything that they sell. If you want to upload something yourself and create it, that's good too. It's $250, and that will go a very long way there. I hope you take advantage of this, and I hope you give the Shapeways pendant creator a shot. And don't forget to comment below for a chance to win that $250 gift card. Thanks very much to Shapeways, and thanks very much for watching. We'll see you again soon.